Hey everyone, in this video I will guide you through how to use the Freshdesk ticketing system in 2025. Everything from receiving tickets to resolving them. Let's get started. Freshdesk is a cloud-based customer support tool that helps you manage support tickets, automate workflows, and respond faster, perfect for businesses and teams of my size. Now go to freshdesk.com for a new account. Click try for free. Enter your first and last name, working email, then your type your phone number and company name. Then try for free, or you can also sign up with your Google account. Just click continue with Google and select your Google account and continue. That's good. Then try it for free and resolve the captcha. And wait for a minute and it's good to go. Here's the Freshdesk dashboard. You will see welcome message, then complete your profile. On the left side, you will see your main menu, dashboard, tickets, contacts and companies, solutions, forums, analytics, set admin, and Freshworks switcher. Okay, let's break down the most important part, the ticket system. Go to tickets tab. When a customer emails you or fills out a form, it creates a ticket. Click on the tickets tab to view all supports requests. You can create your first ticket clicking by create first ticket, then contact, the subject like ticket type, questions, then source phone, status pending, and fill the required field option, then click create. You can filter tickets by status: open, pending, resolved, priority, low to urgent, agent assignment. Mention that tickets auto organize with SLA reminders. Open a ticket, show response window. Click on a ticket to open it or create your ticket first. Click add new contact like that. Click create subject. Then click create. Also fill the description, like, then click create. You will see the full conversion history on the right and ticket details on the left. Type your reply and hit send and close, or send and await response. Add internal notes attachments. Use canned responses for speed. You can assign tickets to yourself to our teammates. Just click assign to and choose the agent. Use tags to categorize them, like billing, technical, etc. Freshdesk can save you time with automation. Under admin, uh, search for automation, like that. You can auto assign tickets, set priority roles, send auto responses. If subject contains refund, auto tag as urgent. Click on reports tab. One for Freshdesk provides reports like first response time, ticket resolution time, agent performance, great for spotting bottlenecks or improving team productivity. Under admin, you can customize ticket fields, set up email forwarding, and even design your own help desk portal. Make it match your brand. And that's your quick start guide to the Freshdesk ticketing system in 2025. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.